diseases occur when homeostasis is disturbed. Okay, when your body cannot maintain homeostasis, disease occur. And if your body cannot maintain homeostasis, then what would the ultimate result? It will cause death. So we have a systemic disease that affect entire body. We have local disease that affect part of the body. Local disease, it may be an allergic reaction. We have acute disease that occurs suddenly and also for a short period of time. Chronic disease, long term. Usually long term, but they are less severe. They develop slowly. But even though it starts as less severe, as they develop slowly, they can get worse. Because the homeostasis keep on tipping. If you don't try to regulate it, then you'll get worse and worse. Cancers, they are a disorder that the cell division failed. That means that you can no longer control your cell division. And then it make the abnormal cells that can invade and destroy other healthy tissue. That's the major problem of cancers. So that's the end of this week's online lecture.